Mula
ba't sila nababahala?
mula sa Pangulo ng United
Oh.
Sugar Producers Federation of the Philippines,
Aha.
si Ginoong Manuel Lamata. Sir Manny, good morning po. Si Peter Atrica. Sir Manny?
Good morning, sir.
Hi, ma. Good morning.
Ay, okay.
Ayan,
Medyo
oh.
choppy po ng
Oo
konti.
nga.
Makikiusap po kami na medyo palit lang po tayo ng position. Adjust tayo ng position ng konti, Sir Manny. Oo. Try
Okay,
again, please.
okay po.
Ayan. Try again, please, sir. Hello?
And Happy New Year.
Ayan. Okay. Sir Manny, paki-explain nga po yung ikinakabahala ng ilang mambabatas ang pagbagsak ng millgate, farmgate price ng asukal. Ano pong ibig sabihin nito? Masyado bang mababa kaya hindi masyadong advantageous para doon sa mga gumagawa ng asukal o producer ng
Tama po.
asukal?
That is
Oo.
very correct.
Okay.
That's correct.
Okay. So, magkano na po ba ngayon and versus magkano ng mga nakaraang buwan?
Well, on the average, the good price for the farmers should be 2,500 per 50 kilo bag.
Mhm.
So right now, it's dropped to 2,100,
Mhm.
which is way below our producing price.
Okay.
You know, our cost of production is hovering somewhere between 2,001 to 2,200.
Mhm.
So wala na yung spread namin na 300 nawala.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, either mag-break even or net loss.
Net loss. Yes. Right now we're running net loss.
Oh, okay.
That is what's happening po.
And what is the cause? Ano po ang dahilan kung bakit biglang bumagsak po ang millgate at farmgate price ng asukal?
Well, the main cause of all of this, ang sugar industry no longer has crop loan. A crop loan is pwede mo masangla yung lupa mo sa bangko, yung standing sugarcane crop mo,
Mhm.
may value din yan. That can also be made sangla sa bangko.
Opo.
And you have that money to pull out in case you need it.
Okay.
Okay? So yung dati, in the 70s, in the 80s, lahat na sugar farms may crop loan. Everybody.
Right.
Now,
And now?
when the trader plays with us, babagsakin nila yung presyo because that is their business.
Mhm.
Okay, trading, I do not blame them.
Opo.
That is their business. They buy low, sell high. Normal yan.
Correct.
Okay, now,
Mm.
during the 70s and 80s, since lahat may crop loan, they cannot play with us. Kasi pagbagsak nila, we get the money from our crop loan to run the farm.
Mhm.
Okay? So, hintayin namin. Hindi kami magbenta ng asukal sa kanila
Okay.
because we have money.
Mhm.
So what happens? They go back, bring up prices, then we start selling, and we pay the bank.
Ayun.
Ayun ang sistema.
Okay.
Nawala na yan during CARP.
Okay.
Pag in-implement ng CARP under the Core administration, except Hacienda Luisita, what happened was no banks would like to touch the sugar farms. Kasi maging 1 hectare lang eh.
Mhm.
Kita mo? So, they didn't even know who the beneficiaries are, where they're located. It was a
Okay.
big hula-baloo.
So you're
So,
saying,
the
sir,
bank-
na yung nakasama yung agrarian reform?
Oh, definitely.
Oh.
Definitely. For the sugar farm, no?
Oo.
For the rice, that's okay.
Yeah.
Kasi ang rice, pwede niya mapakain yung pamilya niya. Yung sugar farm, we are operating on the terms of 50 to 100 hectare farm.
Mhm.
Okay? Para yung economics style is there.
No, but wait
Okay.
po, yung DA, Department of Agriculture, wala bang mga loan facilities ang DA or any other government agency or GOCC?
Well, I don't know. That is why we've been asking the president to force Land Bank.
Mm.
It's a government bank, eh.
Oo po.
To force him to look into it, go back to it. The
Mhm.
template is there. It is with PNB. We had that bank was the biggest
Yeah.
loan giver. And so the template is there. All they have to do is copy it because it worked.
Right. Pero ano po ang resulta dahil bumaba ang Millgate Farmgate price ng asukal, ibig bang sabihin nito, number one, bababa ang presyo ng asukal sa merkado? O in the long run ba, magkakaroon ba ng shortage sa asukal as a result?
Yun ang problema. Okay? Millgate price is down below our cost of production, but yung retail price is at 5,000 per bag. Nakuha mo
So-
yung punto.
5,000 per 50 kilograms?
Yeah, 50 kilo bag.
Oh, kaya nga po.
Yes.
Okay. Nasa 2.5 ang ano nyo, Farmgate.
No, right now it's only at
2.1.
2-1.
Okay.
Yes.
So, parang mahirap yung arithmetic. 2.1 ang Farmgate, pero 5,000 po ang bentahan?
Ayun, correct.
Hala.
So you go to the supermarket and buy sugar. Tingnan mo and do the math.
So, paano nangyari yun? So, anong kumikita yung middleman?
Trader.
Lahat sila.
Aha.
The trader, the repacker,
Mhm.
the retailer,
Mhm.
everybody, the ones in charge of the industry. They're
Hindi-
the ones making money.
Hindi po pwede, Sir Manuel, dahil kayo naman po yung mga producer. Hindi kami magbebenta para mapilitan kayong bilhin ito sa presyong gusto namin. Di mo ba pwede yun?
Yes, pwede yun. Kung may loan ako.
Mhm. Dahil nga po wala ng loan,
Yun,
kailangan
patay
ibenta. Opo.
Kami. Yes,
Pwede niyo po
yun.
bang i-explain or at least give us kahit a big picture lamang po no on how this affects small-time sugar producers at saka yung syempre kung malaking sugar producer ka kahit paano meron ka namang pang shoulder, pang buffer. Pero kung small-time sugar producer ka, gaano po katindi ang loss nito for them?
I can tell you from the bottom of my heart, kawawa sila.
Mhm.
All the beneficiaries, they do not deserve this.
Mhm.
They deserve a big break.
Mhm.
Pero wala, anong magawa nila? 1 hectare, hindi nga makabili ng kalabaw eh.
Mhm.
Aha.
So wala. Pag wala sila crop loan,
Mhm.
pag laruan kami lahat ng trader, patay kami. These are the first guys who are going to fall down.
Mhm.
Sunod yung malaki. Kasi wala ka naman inipon na makasustain eh.
Mhm.
'Di ba? Kahit malaki ka.
Mhm.
So, ang mangyari, the industry will collapse.
Oh,
Right now as we speak, they're selling their land.
Ay.
Mhm.
Opo,
Para lang pambayad.
pero
Of
but
course.
why are we getting right away to that extreme, Sir Manny? Wala po bang any communication, dialogue with the Department of Agriculture para malaman naman ano ba ang pwede nilang itulong for the meantime at least?
But alam naman nila po, we have no grudges against Secretary Laurel. He's doing a good job. He is helping us.
Mhm.
He's giving dole-outs of fertilizers, a lot of things, equipment.
Yes.
He's doing that.
Mhm.
Pero for the DA to set up a crop loan, hindi niya kaya. They need a very, very big budget.
Oh.
So, crop loan lang po ba ang makatutulong, Sir Manuel, if
Yes,
dun sa
yes,
government?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
That's the only key
Mhm.
that can help the sugar industry.
Ayun.
Ang sakit pala nito.
Oo.
Dahil syempre
Oo,
mag-aalat
masakit
pa po
talaga.
tayo. Hindi naman ito nasama dun sa budget ng taon na ito. At para magkaroon yan, edi sa mga bangko tayo makikipag-usap.
Is it approaching a crisis situation, Sir Manny?
Oh, yes. Sa mga maliit, especially sa mga carp beneficiaries. Wala na, talagang patay na talaga eh.
Oo.
Right now, they're cutting the canes. Yeah, they have money, but nothing to put back in. Kasi kapos eh.
Ayun.
Kapos na.
Oo.
So
Ano po,
next year, wala nang crop. Next year, no more
Yeah.
no more sugar.
Sir Manny, anong biggest sugar producer natin ngayon? Is it the Luzon or yung sa mga Negros?
Negros pa rin,
Negros pa rin.
65%.
Wow. Okay, so
Yes,
hindi
it comes from here.
Oo. So ano, practically state of emergency ano ha. Oo. Sir,
Yes po, yes.
Sir Manny, what we can do bilang isang parte po ng media, we will try to reach out to the Department of
DA,
Agriculture ano po,
opo,
and find out what they can actually extend by way of kung hindi man loans, anong ayuda, tulong ang pwedeng i-extend sa ating mga mag-aasukal ano po. But in the meantime, we hope that magkaroon po ng dialogue at the very least to explore every possibility para po mabuhay ng maayos at makabenta ng maayos yung ating mga nagtatanim ng tubo.
Wow, we're very happy for that, sir. We really need all the help
Okay.
that we can.
All right. Sige. For now, we will leave it there pero umasa po kayo na we will try and reach out to the DA. Thank you very much po, Sir Manny.
Maraming salamat
Thank you,
po.
sir. Good morning po.
Okay, si Sir Manuel Lamata, President ng United Sugar Producers Federation of the Philippines.